I want to say to my viewers, bump Kevin.
And I want to say, bump you.
What's up, everybody? My name is June, and welcome to my channel where we make cool creative stuff like this sign right here that I have behind me. Today we're gonna go on an installation, and I'm gonna take you kind of like on a vlog style type of video for the behind the scenes of this sign install. So let's get to it. For any project, it's important to prepare. On my end, I always prepare my cameras. Shove it there. Now, as far as the installation goes, here are some of the tools that we're gonna be using.
Alright, we're gonna start this sign today. It's a little cold, but it's okay. It's good for work.
They know, 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 they know. Tunnel vision when I hit the holly. Working on that cause my mind is on an island. Told my babies I'll be homeless, so don't stay up. Breaks my heart to see them sad, so I won't wait up. Need it all that's mine, I need it now.
Okay, so everything is packed and we are ready to go. So we're gonna make our way. Oh, hi. Hi, Eric. ¿Algún comentario que tengas para esta instalación?
Everybody ready to go? Let's go. Vámonos.
So as you can see, we have arrived. My brother is back there unloading all the stuff. I feel a little sick, like I'm gonna throw up. So let's hope I don't throw up. Like my hoodie, I designed it myself. It's cool. It just says race signs and it has our dinosaur logo. I think it's pretty cool. Do you like our hoodie, Kevin?
Yes, I prefer a vest though. I need a bulletproof June vest.
So I think that's been one of the fastest installations that we've ever accomplished since my dad's almost done installing it. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of a problem, which was the open hours were supposed to say Sunday closed, and I didn't put that.
¿Necesitas cinta para medir? No.
Okay. Go ahead, no problem. Tequila? Yep. Next time. Next time.
I'll take a shot for you.
Okay.
No, que sí lleva tequila, que va a tomar un shot para ti.
Okay. No, que me invite.
So anyway, the way to fix this type of situation is actually very simple. We're just gonna mail him out the decal that says Sunday closed. Problem solved. Okay, so what is left to do? We have another little sign here. Let me show you. Come with me. Come with me.
No, June, no, don't touch the sign. June, the sign.
It must be the world's smallest sign because it's tiny. It's super tiny.
Tell them about
So-
your secret touch.
So, oh yeah, so we have this ongoing thing about my superpower. I have I have a superpower that I can turn anything tiny. Literally anything I touch will turn tiny. So this is the sign installed, and it looks good. I wish you guys could see it at night because it's gonna look way brighter and cooler, and it is really low to the ground, so it's like right in eyesight view. So it's gonna be really bright. But it's the middle of the day right now. I have a freaking filter on my camera. Because the sun is so bright, so it's really hard to see. Quick little fun fact that we have for you here is that every liquor store / alcohol selling place, I'm sure that's what they're called, needs to have these ABC circles, or these, it just needs to say ABC somewhere on the building. I'm not sure why. I guess that's the law here in, oh no, I know it's the law here in South Carolina, but I don't know why. I should have done the research on it. I have no clue why. If you know any other states that need to have some kind of weird thing attached to their building on their signs, let me know, because I know in Georgia liquor stores don't have to have this ABC thing. So I just thought that was fun, a fun fact. So alright, we got Kevin over there. He's packing up because we are done at this location. Fix my hair. We're done at this location, so we're about to head over to the second location to install that tiny baby sign. Okay, so we are about to start the installation after a long time of preparation, and I got the time-lapse cam set up right here. Right now my dad's messing with the little cable box. I don't really know what's going on. I just wanted to tell you that it's really cold out here.
AG.
Okay, so we just finished that west end installation, and we're gonna go ahead and go to the other location because apparently we had 3 locations to do, but the signs are there. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Cool. So let's back up and get ready to go. Anyway, we found out what ABC stands for, and it stands for Alcohol Beverage Control. So that's a nice little wrap up to that educational moment. Ow! Alright, we are in the home stretch. We're just about to finish, right, Petun? How much we got left?
Just let Eric do his thing.
Alright, you gonna pick up that can and the rest of the stuff? Go finish, you big boy.
I have to water. I'm too heavy.
Kevin. Okay, so that wraps up our video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also leave a comment if you like this or if you have any questions or concerns, whatever. Yeah, it's cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. and go home. Yeah, have a good night or day, whatever, afternoon.
Orange light on your skin.